In this video, I'm going to talk about data entry, data editing, and number formatting in Excel. Also, please subscribe if these easy how-to videos help you, and let's get into it. The first thing I'll talk about is data entry. In Excel, we have columns that run horizontally, and we have rows that are running vertically here on the left. And inside, we have all these cells that are going to hold data for us. You can start data entry by selecting any cell and simply typing on your keyboard. I'm going to select cell A1 and type in the word sales and hit enter. And now I have data in cell A1. I can also enter a number as a form of data entry. In cell A2, I'm going to type in the value 120 and hit enter. And that's a way to enter data as well. Excel also allows us to apply formulas to existing data within our worksheet. If I select cell B2 and type in the formula equals A2 times 0.1, now we have a formula that calculates 10% of 120. This is a powerful tool to alter the existing data we have in our worksheet. And lastly, we can enter dates in Excel as a form of data entry. In A3, if I enter in 1/1/2021 and hit enter, now Excel recognizes this as a date. I can select A3 and then look up here at the top, and you can see how Excel has automatically selected date. This can be useful because now you can apply formulas to dates too if you need. In B3, I'm going to enter in the formula equals A3 plus 100. And now it tells us what date it'll be that year if you were to add 100 days to 1/1/2021. And that's pretty much data entry in a nutshell. Now that we know how to enter data, let's talk about deleting and editing data. The quickest way to delete data is by selecting a cell and hitting the delete key on your keyboard. I'm going to do Control or Command Z to undo that action, but that's one way to clear out the contents. You can also right-click on a cell and do Clear Contents, and that's another way to clear out contents as well. Let's say that a cell had some formatting on it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some formatting here. I'm going to add a box. So it's going to add outside lines and then inside lines as well. Now, if I wanted to clear the formatting only, I can highlight these cells and then go up here to this eraser icon and then hit Clear Formats. So you can see how it got rid of those lines and it got rid of the date format here as well. So it's going to keep what's in the cell, but get rid of the formatting. I'm going to do Control Z real quick and bring that back. And lastly, if I wanted to clear the formatting and also everything that's inside of the cell as well, I can just select all those cells, and then here I'll do Clear All, and it's going to get rid of everything. So I'll do Control Z. Next, I'll go over how to modify what's already in a cell. The easiest way to modify a cell is to select the cell and write over it using your keyboard. So if I select A1 and type in the word Monday, it's going to go ahead and replace what was already there prior to this. I can also double click on the cell, and I'm in the edit menu here, and I can alter what's in here as well. So I can alter it back to say sales and hit enter. And lastly, I can select that cell and go up to the formula bar here and then alter this text this way as well. Next, I'm going to go over how autofill works in Excel. So here off to the side, I'm going to type in the word January, and underneath, I'm going to type in the word February and hit enter. Now, when I highlight these two cells and I look at this little plus sign here that shows up on the bottom right, I can drag this down, and Excel recognizes that these are dates, and it's going to try to mimic that pattern continuously. So it's going to show us March, April, May, and June. I can also select right here autofill options, and I have the option of also copying down formatting if I had formatting. I can also copy data without the formatting, and I can do copy cells as well. Copy cells will just copy what was there without mimicking any pattern, so it'll just keep repeating January, February over and over and over again. And lastly, we can format numbers in Excel if you want to see them in a specific way. So I've got some numbers here. If I select this and I go up here to the top and I select number, it's going to convert that to a decimal. I can also select currency for example, if I wanted to see it in the form of a currency rounded to the nearest 2 decimal places. And there you have it. So that wraps up my video. If this helped you, then please do subscribe and be on the lookout for more Excel how-to videos. I'm hoping to help as many people as I can become data experts in Excel in the most easy to understand way possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.